Have you ever seen a cup snake? Here's a sighting of one at a cricket match.
Just one of those little bars at the back of there, Gumball. Sold 8,500 pints yesterday. That's just one of the bars.
That line of empty plastic cups is like origami or something, or collecting stamps. What do? It's enormously long, isn't it?
After watching that video, list on paper all the things that come to mind. If you're in a group, share your thoughts. So, what came to mind? Having heard what comes to the minds of many people, did your list include: where was the video taken? Why did the crowd make that cup snake? What is with those commentators? How long is that cup snake? One thing you might have heard was the comment that one bar at this sporting venue sold 8,500 drinks. If a cup snake was made out of 8,500 cups, how long would it be? Would it be as long or longer than the one we saw in the video? To help us answer this question, let's start by imagining a cup snake made with lots and lots of cups, just like these two. Look carefully at these cups and the way that they go together. Based on what you can see, predict the length of a cup snake containing 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, and ultimately n cups. Pause the video and do your best to complete this table. How did you go? One way of populating this table is to think about how a cup snake's length changes as successive cups are added. The first cup contributes its entire length to the snake, but the second cup only contributes the length of its lip and a bit, as does the third and subsequent cups. Based on this thinking, the length of a cup snake consisting of 100 of these cups will be 7.8 centimeters, the length of the first cup, plus 0.5 centimeters, the length of the lip and a bit, for each of the 99 cups that follow, giving a predicted length of 57.3 centimeters. Similar thinking allows us to predict the following about the length of a cup snake consisting of 200 cups, 300 cups, 400 cups, 500 cups. This thinking can be generalized to the length of a cup snake consisting of any number of cups. How does this way of thinking compare with yours? Pause the video and list on paper some of the ways that this thinking was the same and the ways that it was different from your thinking. Once you have done so, I will show you another way of thinking about cup snake length. A different way to think about this is to say that each cup contributes a lip and a bit, and the last one contributes a lip and a bit plus this portion, which is 7.8 minus 0.5, or 7.3 centimeters long. This way of thinking can be captured by an expression for L, the length of any cup snake. L equals 0.5n plus 7.3. How does this rule compare with the rule developed previously? Can you satisfy yourself that they are equivalent? Pause the video now and have a go at doing so. To compare these rules, we could substitute some values into them to see if they give the same output. This looks promising, but it is only showing us a few cases. How many do we need to check? Infinitely many. To satisfy ourselves that they are equivalent for all values of n, we can apply the distributive law of multiplication to our first rule and then simplify the result. and that argument holds for the infinitely many values of n. So, is a 200 cup snake really 107.3 centimeters long? In part 2 of this video, we will consider ways that we could answer this question. See you there.